Hi there, welcome back. In this video we are going to configure Citrix StoreFront. So let's get started. Let me open the Citrix Studio first. Say yes. Okay, one thing, while we were creating a first site, Citrix first site, by default it creates also default Citrix storefront. We really don't have to create another one. If you want, you can do it so, but by default also it will create Citrix storefront. Okay, let me click on this stores, and you can see by default it is created a single store service. Okay, that means store is also created when we were making a new Citrix site. So what now you have to try? Okay, now you need to copy the link, go to Internet Explorer, just paste this link. It was not copied. Let me copy again. I'll go here. Okay, now I can see the login window. Okay, click on login. I will try to log in also. Citrix admin and the password. Enter a domain. Okay, Career Hub is the domain and the password. Okay, now I'm able to log in into the Citrix URL, but what I see now here, there are no apps or desktop available to you at this time. Why it's coming up? Because I really don't assign any application on my ID. Why I did not assign? Because right now we really don't configured the machine catalog service and the delivery groups. Okay, also you can see create one to get started. So what that means is we need to create machine catalog service anyhow to configure delivery group. Without machine catalog you will not able to publish anything. Without delivery group you will not able to publish anything. Okay, so make sure we are creating machine catalog service, then we are move into the delivery group. We will create delivery group for the VDI, for the application, for the shared desktop, whatever it is you want to publish, you can publish it from the delivery group. Machine catalog is what we need to add machines here first. Okay, to for what to add in delivery groups. Once we add machine here, we will able to publish application, we will able to publish VDI, we will able to publish share desktop. Okay, so these three things we will able to publish. There is one more thing I just wanted to add over here in this video. If you want to create another store, you can do so. Why we creating another store? Let's see, you have two customers. One is located in APAC, one is located in EMEA. Let's see, they are not to be confused that which link, which Citrix URL they can use. For that, differentiate that link, you can create another store for EMEA user. To do that, you need to click on create a store, say next. You can put the name. You are creating a new URL for the EMEA user. I'll make it capital EMEA, say next. Delivery controller, I'll make it EMEA controller. I need to add the delivery controller here. So our delivery controller name is Citrix 01.careerhub.com. Let's confirm again. Okay, go to properties. Okay, Citrix 01.careerhub.com. so this is our delivery controller. Okay, DC. So make sure you not to be confused. Delivery controller name we need to put it over there here. Okay, say okay, click on OK, say next. Okay, we will use username and password as a authentication method for right now. Say next. Enable ZenUp service URL, and they make this the default store for PN agent. These all things I will also let you know in the later on the course. click on create. It will take couple of minutes to create a new website. Also, if you want go into deep, you can just open the IIS service and you would able to find everything over there. Okay, so whatever we are making in store, the storefront, that should create over here. Okay, I'm not good in IIS. Okay, so the new website which we are creating, that is created. Okay, this one. All right, you can test the site where the URL creation was done correctly or not. Click on test. Yeah, we have the login window. Let's try to log in. Career hub /Citrix admin and the password. All right, so we are able to log in, but of course you don't see any application assigned to your ID because the machine catalog service, those all things has been not created. I am deleting this for now because there is no use of it, so I'm deleting this. You can click here, remove store, and that will be delete right away. So let's see you in next video to configure the Citrix further. Okay, thanks very much for watching this.